welcome back to my channel. So for today, it is the full makeup look. This is the makeup look that won on the poll that I did on my Instagram story. So today I did a makeup tutorial for you guys. Also, if you guys are wondering with my hair, I also did a quick demo of how to do this hair using a straightener, which is my new favorite hair tool. I filmed that one too, and I'll put the link down below, so make sure to check it out. But I won't be posting it until next week, so stay tuned for that, and then I'll just add the link here. I also want to thank you guys who are following me on Instagram. We already have 19,000 followers, so thank you guys so much. If you haven't followed me on Instagram, please follow Wayne K Artistry. And if you're new to my channel, welcome, and please make sure to subscribe and ring the notification bell so you know whenever I have a new video. If you like this video, please make sure to leave me a thumbs up. At the end of this video, please comment as well if you have any requests or questions. I really appreciate you guys and looking forward to see you guys every week with my new videos. So if you want to learn how to do this makeup look for fall, then keep on watching.
Baby, wait, I know that you're afraid, but it'll be okay if you just stay with me. And we can run from here and we can disappear, and they won't find us where we are going, dear. So baby, hold on to me, 'cause I know I can make you believe something that only we can see. Oh, so baby, hold on to me, hold on to me. You're the night sky trying to make me see your stars, but the dark gets lonely. Now I see violet, I can feel silence. In the dark's all that I see. When your stars have burnt out and your heart makes no sound, I'll find violet in your eyes. You'll always be You're as blue as the open sky. All these blues I can know. I was really hoping, why don't you and I?